How to fix "We could not verify this account belongs to you" in Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to fix the error of not being able to verify the account in the Cash App. So first and foremost, if you're encountering the error message, "We could not verify that this account belongs to you" in your Cash App, there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. First of all, you have to double check your login credentials. Make sure that you're using the correct form of your phone number or your email address associated with your Cash App account, as well as the correct form of your password. Pay attention to any capitalization or special characters being used. If that does not help, try resetting your password. If you're unsure about your password or suspect that it may be incorrect, you can try resetting it. On the Cash App login screen, tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the instructions to reset your password. You can also contact the Cash App support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, it is recommended to reach out to the Cash App support directly. They'll be able to assist you further and provide specific guidance based on your account details. So you can click on this support option just below the reviews option over here. And as soon as you click on it, you will be able to contact to their to their official help desk. Also remember to exercise the caution when sharing the personal information and only contact the official Cash App support channels to ensure your account security. So this was all about how can you fix the Cash App "We could not verify this account belongs to you" error. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.